On the basis of importance. On the basis of importance, the market can be divided into primary market, secondary market and terminal market. The primary producers of farm sell their output or product through this type of market to wholesalers or consumers. Such market can be found in villages and mostly the products arrive from villages. So primary markets can be found in villages and mostly the product arrive from the villages. The next one, secondary market. In this market, the semi-finished goods are marketed. Here, finished goods are not sold. The commodities arrived from other markets. The dealings are commonly between wholesalers or between the wholesalers and retailers. So, secondary market mostly marketed as semi-finished goods. Here, the finished goods are not sold. The commodities arrived from other markets. The dealings are commonly between the wholesaler or between wholesaler and retailers. Then terminal market. It is a central site that serves as an assembly and trading place for commodities in a metropolitan area for agriculture commodities. These are usually at or near major transportation hubs. So terminal market is a central site that serves as an assembly and trading place for commodities in a metropolitan areas. So agriculture commodities are usually at near or major transportation hubs. So the above are the classification of market. So market can be classified on the basis of area, on the basis of goods, on the basis of economics, on the basis of transaction, on the basis of regulation, on the basis of time, on the basis of volume, on the basis of importance. Okay, the next heading is meaning and definition of marketer. First one, meaning of marketer, one who deals in a market, specifically one who promote or sell a product or service. So dealer is a person who promote or sell a product or service. A marketer is someone whose job involves marketing. Someone who promotes or exchanges goods and services or goods or services for money. Definition. A person whose duties include the identification of the goods and services desired by a set of consumers, as well as the marketing of those goods and services on behalf of a company. What can be marketed? So marketing is a comprehensive concept which starts from the point of creation, promotion and ultimately delivering the goods and services to consumers and businesses. So the dynamic items that can be marketed are listed below. First one, goods. So manufactured goods are the main constituents of marketing endeavor in all the countries across the world. So companies and individual market goods like consumer durables, electronic product, machineries, computers and its software and hardware. So mostly companies and individual market goods like consumer durable, electronic product, machineries, computers and its software and hardware. The next one, services. Not only physical goods can be marketed, even the services of many organizations can be marketed to the consumers, namely banking, insurance, finance, hospitality, tourism, professional consultation, etc. So goods and services, after that experiences, the unique and varied experiences pertaining to a place or a park or an event can be marketed under this concept. Example, amusement park, theme park and mountaineering, etc. Then events. The event marketing aims at promoting and marketing of special events, shows, exhibitions, for performances, sports events like World Cup, Olympic and T20, etc. Then persons. The marketing of goods and services through celebrities and a successful formula for creating a brand relationship with the consumers. The endorsement for the brand of a company can be carried on by cinema stars, sports stars, musicians, and eminent personalities. Then places. Under place marketing, tourist business prospects, new residents and land are appealed to visit and particular geography by promoting special characteristics of places like infrastructural facilities, amusement, climatic conditions, entertainment, culture, etc. Then properties. Properties means assets. So properties include both real property and financial property which involve transfer of ownership on sale or purchase of the same. For example, constructed house, land, plot, building, shares, debentures, mutual funds, etc. Then organizations. An organization can market itself in order to build an image for it by sponsoring events, adoption of villages, donation for charitable causes, corporate social responsibilities activities, etc. Then information. Information is the most valuable product that can be marketed today. The data collected by an organization can be used as a product for this purpose. Example, the information collected by libraries, research agencies, educational institutions, book publishers, broadcasting companies, internet, etc. The last one, ideas. An idea may change the world. So innovative and attractive ideas are the desirable product for the marketers to sell. So social media marketing thrives on new ideas in a consistent manner. Then role of marketer. So the role of marketer is instigator, innovator, integrator and implementer. Instigator, innovator, integrator and implementer. First one, instigator. As an instigator, the marketer keenly watches the development taking place in the market and identify the marketing opportunities emerging in the ever-changing market. She puts in place appropriate marketing mix to capitalize the opportunity. In such a case, marketer plays as an instigator and leads the business toward new directions. Then innovator. Marketer seeks to distinguish his product services by adding additional features or functionalities to the existing product, modifying the price structures, introducing new delivery pattern, creating new business models, introducing changes in production process and so on. So innovation means something newly. Then integrator. Marketer plays the role of integrator in the sense that he collects feedback or vital inputs from channel members and consumers and provide product service solution to customers by coordinating multiple functions of organization. So marketer is an integrator. Integrate means to connect. Then implementer. Marketer play a role of implementer. He actually converts marketing opportunities into marketable product with the help of several functional teams put in place in the organization. Then functions of marketer. Gathering and analyzing market information. Second one, market planning. Third one, product designing and development. Fourth one, standardization and grading. Fifth one, packaging and labeling. Sixth one, branding. Seventh one, customer support services and pricing of product, promotion and selling, physical distribution, transportation, and last one, storage and warehousing. These are the functions of a marketer. So gathering, planning, designing, standardizing, branding, customer support services, pricing the product, promotion and selling, physical distribution, transportation, storage and warehouses. So revise the lessons thoroughly So I will give the question answer PDF soon. Read the lessons and send the answer to me. I'll see you soon with my next video. Thank you, children.